The sail is not sailing. Woke up in a shit day and I'm bored and sick. I decided on sailing. We're going sailing today. Now I just gotta convince everyone to come with me.
Do you know how to sail? No, I'm not coming sailing on the river.
Oh, that looks like a man who's excited to go sailing. We have arrived at the river house. Oh, the little puppy. Oh, little puppy. The sailboat is inside this big ass black thing. Rise and shine. Okay, so I don't currently see the... Oh, there's the sail. We, my friends, are going to build the... What is the thing called? The sailboat.
Hello, you cutie pie.
Which means
There's a lot of wetsuits.
that is perfect.
This is like a
0 means it's for 0-degree water.
I don't need a wetsuit.
Okay.
One charge
It's
to be
time.
jumping in without a wetsuit.
This
Boom.
wetsuit's actually
Just
for
soon
normal
out.
height.
Hoist the mainframes! The waves are coming, lads! Okay, Josh, how's the mouth?
Sorry.
Okay, cut the camera, cut the camera.
Looking good.
Which way is the front?
Does this go? Yeah.
Now we gotta figure out how to sail. I really hope this GoPro doesn't work because I really f***ed it up. That's why, like, over here, there should be like a little thing you can't really see much. Wait, did you actually break it?
That was Josh.
Or did it come out?
I got it!
No, you don't.
Sailing! Hey guys, sailboat Steve here.
Oh, wait,
Okay, I'm holding this thing. Wait, are we?
Josh!
Ah! Josh! Just sit there.
No, don't sit there because we're gonna have to tack sometime soon.
We're gonna have to what?
Tack. It's like when you go the opposite
I don't
direction,
think
the
this
broom's gonna
thing's
come across.
meant to hold 3.
Is this thing still filming?
Yeah,
Call
it
me
is.
Jack Sparrow because I drink a lot and I'm on a sailboat.
Oh, we're literally sailing. What the
No, really, eh?
Okay, see, if we continue like this, oh, we're stuck in a sandbank. Josh, we're running aground. Hold the f***ing GoPro.
No, wait, turn the sail.
I know, I will.
Now we have.
You're not very
Good at this, Ogre.
Okay.
Bum bum.
Oh no.
Oh, my sack.
So at the moment, sail's broken because this, you see this thing, I'm gonna go right at the top over there. And it's obviously not that.
Guys, I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. This is zero wetsuit. Zero
have to get in the water, buddy.
Oh, we're sailing. We're moving. Oh, we're moving.
Okay, we need
What's
to
this?
face this. We need to fix the f***ing sail right now,
relax.
dog. The sail is not sailing.
Captain, my captain.
That's my boat over there. No flex.
Oh, watch out, it's coming our way, Josh. Josh, I repeat, it's definitely coming our way. Josh has just lost my GoPro. We crashed. The boat's gone into the other boat. And Josh dropped my GoPro because it got hit. Well, boys, I think we're ready for the ocean. So the river's looking nice. I'm very excited to sail. Oh, hey guys, it's been a while. Where have you been?
We're just cleaning the boat.
Oh, sick. Nice. I'm keen. You ready to sail?
Yeah,
Yeah, dude. Super clean.
we're good.
Yeah.
Sick. The boat's over there though. We're gonna do more cool shit like this because we have a whole bunch of stuff we want to do. before high school ends. Got my good friend Josh in the car, and he's so excited for these vlogs. He's so excited. You'll see him more, and you're gonna see us more. So stick along to the journey, because we're gonna be doing a lot more cool shit. My butt is so sore right now. It is unbelievable.